When should I replace my battery? It's a great question, and typically average shelf life is about 5 years on your battery. But let's talk about some things that might cause premature wear and how to measure the battery. So first thing, we've got a couple battery terminals here. You can see they're all green and yellow corrosion. That's going to weaken the battery. So if you got bad connections with your battery, you might not need a battery, you might need the battery connections clean. Okay, now we've got right here a top post battery, and here we've got a side post battery. Those are two options. We've also got vented batteries that go in your trunk, things like that. This car, you actually jump off of these terminals here if you need to jump the car. Now, what we're measuring is the cold cranking amps. Right here on the battery, it says 600. So if you're at 550, you're okay. If you're at 400 out of 600, that battery's weak and it's probably not gonna start your vehicle for much longer. So every visit you come into Cars R Us, we're gonna check that battery. We're gonna make sure it's good for you and make sure you're not having to be towed in due to a faulty battery.
877-4277